In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your ActiveCampaign account. Whether you're switching platforms or simply paring down your digital tools, deleting an account can sometimes feel like a bit of a journey. With ActiveCampaign, understanding their process can help make this task straightforward. So, let's dive right in. First, it's important to note that ActiveCampaign doesn't offer an in-app delete account button. That means you can't simply click a button and have it erased. Instead, you have to go through a couple of steps to ensure your account, along with all personal data, is completely and permanently removed. Let's walk through these steps together. To start, you need to cancel any active subscriptions you might have. This is crucial, because you can't proceed with account deletion while a paid subscription is still active. Once you've done this, wait until your current billing period ends. It's important to let this subscription cycle complete before moving on to the next step. Now, once your subscription period has ended and your account is no longer active in a paid capacity, you're ready to move on to the next phase. This involves making a direct request to ActiveCampaign's customer experience or support team to delete your account. You'll need to expressly state that you want your account, along with all associated data, to be permanently deleted. This request ensures there are no loose ends, and your information won't hang around unnecessarily on their servers. You have two options to make this request. Firstly, you can email the support team directly with your request. When crafting your email, be clear and concise. You might say something like, "I am requesting the permanent deletion of my ActiveCampaign account and all associated data." Make sure to include any relevant account information so the support team can easily identify your account. Alternatively, if you prefer a more structured approach, you can submit your request via ActiveCampaign's Help Center. This might involve filling out a form or submitting a query through their support system. Again, clearly communicate that you're seeking a complete and permanent deletion of your account and data. Once you've submitted your request through either method, keep an eye out for a confirmation response from their support team. This will often require a little patience, as the process might not be instant. Allow some time for their team to process your request and to finish erasing your account from their systems. Remember, taking the time to go through these steps thoroughly ensures that your account and data are completely and accurately deleted, aligning with your privacy and data preferences. Thanks for joining me today, and feel free to revisit if you need any reminders or further clarification on the steps. See you in the next video.